these are our heat pads right here. Everything looks good. So the way this is going to work, we found this ceramic fiber. Okay, so this is a roll of ceramic fiber. This is the same stuff that's used in like ovens and kilns and all kinds of very hot environments. So it's
your propane furnaces or forges.
Yeah, exactly. So the way this is going to work is we unroll this. We're going to cut enough off, a good nice little chunk. It's going to fit right in here, okay? So it's going to be an insulated barrier from the heat pads, and it's going to be reinforced with a steel heat guard. So this is going to go right here. And then we'll have our actual base of the printer.
If we can set this all up here without breaking anything. Hooray!
So I'm pretty excited about this. I've never used ceramic fiber before, and it looks like the stuff that we actually need. If anybody out there's got any ideas for a better base, let me know. I need something that's strong, and heat resistant. This heat barrier definitely going to do the trick, but if anybody's got something that's more effective, let us know.
Always room for improvement.
Yes.